Good morning students, welcome back to today's class. I hope you are all completed your exams very well, and those are not completed, those are not submit the classwork note and homework note, please come and submit to the school office room. And the first lesson today class we are going to see about term 2, and the first lesson ancient excavation. And what is the meaning of excavation? And the excavation is the exploration of what lies under the surface of the earth. This is called excavation. And who's doing this excavation work? So the archaeologist people. The archaeologist means the skilled person, that person only doing this excavation work. And first of all, I am explain about the meaning of archaeologist and the meaning of excavation. And the first one, archaeologist. So the archaeologist means a person dig the earth at various places to find out things which are used by our people of the past. So these people are called archaeologists. So who's called archaeologist? So archaeologist means a person. What is the work of archaeologist? A person dig the earth at various places and to find out so many things. So that the things the things were used by our ancestors, and the things they were used by our past people. So these people help us to find out so many things from the under the earth. So these people are called archaeologists. And the next one, excavation. What is the meaning of excavation? The process of digging. Digging na enadhu appadina vandu thondradhu. So நம்ம earth நம்ம என்ன பண்ணுவோம், நம்ம ground என்ன பண்ணுவோம் அப்படின்னா வந்து நம்ம தோன்றதை நம்ம digging அப்படின்னு சொல்லுவோம். The process of digging the ground, it's called excavation. So one important ஏதோ purposeக்காக, any purpose நம்ம என்ன பண்ணுறோம் அப்படின்னா வந்து we are searching that land, so we are digging the ground. So this process it's called excavation. And the next one, who's an archaeologist? So archaeologist, who's an archaeologist? The people. So for an architect appadina vandu the people designing and constructing the building, it's called architect. And doctor means that the person find out disease and treat the sick people. So that person it's called doctor. So as the same, so who's an archaeologist? Archaeologist mean that people study the history of our humans and the places through the excavation and of artifacts. So archaeologist means that the person study about our past peoples. The archaeologist mean that the people study about our past people history through the excavation and through the things and artifacts. So this persons are called archaeologist. And next one, what is called artifacts? So through the excavation, the archaeologists find out so many things such as earrings and pots, coins and cloths, sticker. So these are called artifacts. So through the excavation appadina vandu, so at the time only they are digging the ground. So the archaeologists at the time find out so many things of our early humans. So the things they were used like coins and metals and earrings. So these things are called artifacts. These things are called artifacts. So these things will help us to know about our past people life histories. So dear students, learn this excavation and archaeologist topic today. So again I am repeating. So excavation means digging the earth, it's called excavation. And archaeologist means that person study about our early people life history through places and through the artifacts. So dear students, so learn this topic today. Thank you.